probability theory. Probability is a new topic now. See here, probability theory as a new branch of mathematics. Learning of probability is different, not like the previous topics. Okay, here you see the definitions. A random experiment. A random experiment means we can do an experiment in any way. Okay, according to the selection of the experiment we can do. You see, tossing a coin. When I toss a coin, what I get now? See here, it is a head. Okay, so you will get the tail also. Okay, so we have two chances to get toss a coin, head or tail. Like that, when you roll a die, you will get this. How many chances can you say? How many faces for this die? 6 faces. So how many chances? 6 chances. Okay, or maybe 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Like this way, all the 6 chances are the possible chances. Okay, like this, when you take the cards, you see what type of card is this? It is a heart. How many cards under this heart? 13 cards. What is this type? It is diamond. How many cards? That is also 13. Okay, now what is this type? It is a spade. Okay, this also 13 cards. Like that way, what about this? It is a claver. Under this also 13 cards. Okay, what are the arrangements of the cards? You see, A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King. Okay, can you see the arrangements now? First A. Okay, A, 2, 3, A, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10, Jack. It is the J. Okay, now you see the arrangement of cards. So this is the arrangement of cards. In each one, you will get this much. Okay. Yes. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so 13 cards in each one. So totally 4 sets. 4 into 13, 52 cards are there. Okay, anyway, selecting a card from this all 52 cards. That is also a experiment, a random experiment. Understood? This all are the examples. We can take some other examples. Playing cricket. How many runs the person will choose? It is also a random experiment. Okay, weather forecast. Maybe the rain, may not be the this may be the wind. Like this way, the persons are guessing the forecast. Okay, these all are also the probability examples. Understood? Next one, the set of all possible outcomes in a random experiment is called a sample space. So when we are tossing a coin, what are the possible outcomes? Head or tail? Okay, this is a tail or head are the possible outcomes. When you toss 2 coins at a time, first both head, tail. Now maybe one head, another tail, both head, then first one tail, second one head. Like this way also can occur. Okay, these are all the possible outcomes. So the collection, totally all the possible outcomes we can write in the sample space. It is a set. Okay, it is like a universal set for a random experiment. Understood? The sample space we can denote by capital S. Okay, we can see the example what I written. For example, when we roll a die, the possible outcomes are the face numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the die. Okay, when we roll a die, what are the possibility? 1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. Okay, so all the possible outcomes you can write in the sample space. That is only I said like a universal set. For this random experiment, it is a universal set. Okay, but you don't mention U. Here it is yes sample space. Are all clear? Next, you see what is the sample point. In a sample space, each element, when you are writing the sample space for rolling a die, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, from that, 1 is a sample point. Then 2 is a sample point. Okay, like this way, this all are the each element of the sample point. So, this sample point can write as this way. When we toss a coin, all sample points are. When we toss a coin, only we are getting head or tail. Okay, all the possible outcomes, but you don't write totally this is a like this set. If you are mentioning it is inside the set symbol totally, then it is a sample space. You write the separate element. Okay, that is only the sample point. The next one, how to find the this random experiment outcomes using the tree diagram. You know the factor tree diagram, how to find the factors using the factor tree diagram. Here how to find the possible outcomes from a random experiment using tree diagram. You can see now. This tree diagram is a visual representation. Okay. Now in this tree diagram, each branches shows the possible outcomes. When we are rolling a die, what are the possible outcomes? Can you say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so these are the branches. So how many branches you need? According to that, you can put the arrows. Okay, so you can write how many die. If you roll only one die, you write a die. If you are rolling more than one, you can mention how many. Okay, like that way you write it inside the box, and according to that you put the arrows how much we need. Then, so what are the sample space? What is the sample space of the set? Set of all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, like this way when we toss two coins, then the tree diagrams. So here you have to write two coins. When you when you are tossing two coins, what are the possible outcomes? See this first one, second one. So head, head. Okay, head, head. Then first one head, second one maybe the okay. Then again I got the same, but the possibility is first from the first coin head, then second chance is tail. Okay, so here you can write head, tail. Then from using this second coin, first chance head, second chance tail. The same way using the second coin with the first coin tail, head or tail. Okay, so first coin gives head, second coin gives head or tail. Like the same, first coin can give the tail, also second coin head, tail. Okay, you see. Just I am showing first coin head, second coin also head. Same first coin head, second coin tail. Okay. Next first coin it is tail, second coin head. Then first coin tail, again second coin tail. These are the possibilities to get the tossing of two coins. Okay. So that you have to show in the tree diagram. Then you have to write the sample space S is equal to what are the possibilities? H, H, sample space S is equal to what are this? H, H. Next is H, T. Next T, H. Last T, T. Okay, so these are the sample space when you are tossing two coins. Understood? So you have to do using tree diagram and write. Are all clear?